The king, the chosen one, the player who just keeps breaking all records, LeBron James. He is not just one of the best basketballers in the world, he's also one of the best and richest athletes in the world, with a net worth of over $1.76 billion. LeBron is 39 years old and is in the 21st season of his NBA career. Only 20% of NBA players play actually post their 5th season. The official retirement age in the NBA is 27 years old and he is at 39. But just like fine wine, which LeBron loves, he's been getting better year by year by year. But how does he do this? Let's decode it in the video today. Now we'll divide this video into 3 parts. Training, recovery, nutrition, on which Mr. James spends about $1.5 million every year. Matlab about 13 crores in Indian rupees. Let me first start by introducing Mike Mancias to you all. He is LeBron's athletic trainer and recovery specialist for the last 18 years. They first met when Mike was interning with the Cavs and it was LeBron's second year in the NBA. It was after the 2014 finals exit when LeBron went to Mike and said this cannot happen again. And here we are in 2024 with LeBron not having an incident since. Now LeBron James works out almost every day of the week. And it's not just about lifting weights. He has equal focus on cardio and his yoga routines. As a friend of LeBron once said, play hard, have fun and stretch. Even when LeBron joined the NBA, this stuck with him. A few of LeBron's favorite exercises or equipments are the Versa Climber, Pilates, spinning classes and running across a football field. Recovery is constantly going on for LeBron. May it be him sitting in a podcast, may it be post-game, pre-game, he always has ice on his knees, is always recovering in some way or the other. Now this man has to play 70 to 80 games per season. Yaar, recover to karna padega na. 99% of the times post a game, LeBron goes into cryotherapy. Now that can be a cold tank, ice bath, ice bags, it can be a cryotherapy chamber, whatever is available at the time. But he makes sure he gets his recovery right. He even uses Normatex for his legs. And it really helps in the recovery of the legs for these athletes. Then comes sleep. नींद तो सबको प्यारी है, but LeBron and his trainer Mike take it up a notch. LeBron James gets about 8 to 9 hours of sleep every night, with his room being at 20 degrees Celsius, it being completely dark, and him making sure that he does not see any electronic device at least 30 to 45 minutes before his sleeping time. यार सोचो तुम रील भी नहीं देख सकते. He also loves sleeping to the sound of rain on leaves, which goes on throughout the night. यार मानना पड़ेगा कि बारिश की आवाज में तो नींद solid आती है. Now let's go to his diet. Hydration, hydration, hydration. You'll always see LeBron drinking something. It can be water, it can be special hydration liquids, or a glass of wine at night. Come, now let me take you through a day of eating for Mr. LeBron James. Now let's start with breakfast. Egg white omelette with smoked salmon and gluten-free pancakes with berries. Then let's go to lunch. That's whole wheat pasta with salmon and vegetables. Now before the game, LeBron James has a peanut butter jelly sandwich. During the game, at halftime, he has sliced apples with almond butter. Then post the game, he has a plant-based protein with almond milk in it. Now to the last meal of the day. That's chicken parm with the rocket salad and a beautiful glass of Cabernet. Throughout the NBA season, LeBron does not have anything artificial or fried. अब सोचो ये सब नहीं होएगा, ठीक है? समोसा, चिकन 65, वड़ा पाव, मेदू वड़ा, कुछ भी नहीं. यार ना आप छोले भटूरे खा सकते हो, ना आप कोक पी सकते हो. सोच लो एथलीट बनने से पहले. LeBron understands that to live this lifestyle, he needs to live this lifestyle. अब एथलीट बनना इतना आसान नहीं लग रहा ना? है मुश्किल है. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video and please like, share and subscribe to Game On by News. Thank you.